Meaning of leaden.
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 Leaden. The word leaden can have a few different meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning of leaden is something that is heavy or dull, like lead. For example, you might say the sky was covered in a leaden blanket of clouds to describe a gloomy, overcast day. Another possible meaning of leaden is something that is slow or sluggish, as if weighed down by something heavy. For instance, you could say her footsteps were leaden with exhaustion to describe someone who was walking slowly and wearily. Lastly, leaden can also refer to something that is oppressive or dreary. For example, you might say the silence in the room was leaden to describe an uncomfortable atmosphere where nobody was speaking or moving.